What is up, guys? Welcome back to Spoiled Little Bastards. And on today's episode, yet again, we are going to be doing a Tune in Tokyo. As you guys can see, I'm actually wearing one of the shirts. A Tune in Tokyo mystery box. This is, I think, the fall edition. You guys can't really beat the price. $100 for supposedly there's 5 shirts, a long sleeve, a hoodie, a hat, a backpack, and a lanyard, and a couple other things. I just can't beat it for $100. Why not, right? So we're gonna do another one of these openings. I'm excited. You guys liked this video a lot. The previous one, if you guys haven't seen that, I'll leave it at the end of the video in like the little pop tag thing, so you guys can go rewatch it. That one was pretty fun. So we're just gonna get into this. Like I said, got the fall edition one is supposedly what it's called. We're just gonna kind of crack it open, see what's in here, and hopefully you guys enjoy. So, Steven, all right, let's get into this. Alright, so, first things first, we are going to pull out, looks like it's a few shirts. We've got a few stickers here, a rose and a snake. Let's see, can that focus? There you go. Rose and a snake, and then, I think that's supposed to be, yeah, Godzilla. Okay, I had to make sure. It's supposed to be Godzilla in the wave. That's actually a pretty cool sticker. Don't know if I'll ever put those on there, but... And then we've got a lanyard. I already have one of these, as in the previous videos, the Tune in Tokyo one. Don't know if I'll ever use that again. Here's the hat. It's not the same hat. Long story short, if you guys saw in the other video, I had a hat that said Legends in red. That's a pretty long story. That hat actually got burnt in Glamis. Some drama went down and I lost that hat, so that's why you guys don't see me wear it in any other videos. So I'll probably be wearing this hat a lot more often, just because it was such a nice hat to wear and it went with everything. So I'll definitely be wearing this one. This one just says Tune in Tokyo. Let's see if it'll focus. And some fancy writing, so let's see. It'll be nice.
About the same. You just got a beard now.
Yeah, it'll be nice with outfits like this. It'll be all, it'll be able to, I guess, match and all that stuff. So that hat. Here, actually, we'll start putting stuff up here for you guys. You guys can't see that, it's black. Here's another sticker. That's kind of funny, actually. It's the Stormtrooper with turbos in his face. Don't know if I'll ever use that one, but okay. So, I believe here's part of the shirt. So we'll start with these for sure. This one's pretty cool. I already like this one. Doing Donuts, Legends Never Die. That's the back. That's pretty freaking cool. I actually really like that one. That one's pretty sick. So it's something I would wear. Little bit thing in the front over the heart. That one's pretty freaking cool. I definitely like that one. I will be totally wearing that one because soon to come will be donuts. So I will definitely be wearing that one. Here's another. Oh, that's sick. That's the sticker too. Watch, hang on. Okay. Sticker that they gave me. That's so cool. And then it says Tokyo International Legends in the front. That's a really cool shirt. I like that one. Definitely wear that one out. Okay, so then we have a white one. This one says Tune in Tokyo Legends. And then it has some coordinates. And
it's the sticker as well.
It's sort of like the wave sticker, except Godzilla's not in it. But that one's pretty cool. I do like that one. I like that it's white because I don't really have a lot of white shirts. So it's nice to, I guess, have a variety of stuff. Here's another one. I don't know how often I will be wearing this one. But it's got some kind of bird on it.
Yeah, it looks
like a swan or something. It just says Legends. I don't usually wear birds, so... Don't necessarily know when I will be wearing that, but...
go bird watching.
It's already got a stain on... Oh, no, it's not. It's a piece of fuzz. Okay. This one says Japan. Tuned in Tokyo Legendary Racing Division. And so that's the front. And then it's got this on the back, which kind of has... Let's see. I think it's the... Is it the Japanese flag?
The Japan flag.
The Japan flag. Sorry, I had a brain fart. The American flag says Tune in Tokyo International Legends. Kind of has some writing there, and so that's a nice, pretty cool shirt. Definitely be wearing that one. I don't know if I'll be wearing the bird. That's kind of strange. Alright, so here's the hoodie. I'm actually a bit excited because I wanted a hoodie bad, so we'll see. Let's see what this one is. This one. Oh, hang on. We've got a long sleeve. We're doing a long sleeve first.
Okay.
This one says Tune in Tokyo Automotive Lifestyle. What does it say?
Fresh donuts.
Oh, fresh more donuts. Let's go, baby. That's sick. Definitely wear that one. I still have all of my shirts from the previous mystery box. I wear them pretty frequently, like this one. And
every week.
yeah, I do wear it like once every week, so it's kind of nice. I'm glad I'm getting another one. This one just says Tokyo in the front on the heart. This is the hoodie, and then here's the back, which is pretty cool. That's pretty fancy. It says Tokyo, and then it's got some flowers and looks to be, yeah, a snake. It says Legends Never Die down here at the bottom and Tokyo up here, which, let's see how cozy it is. Oh, yeah. Highly recommend that. This will be, oh, they gave me an extra large. I ordered larges. Did they put larges? They gave me an extra large in the hoodie and larges on the t-shirt, so we'll see. But this will be very nice and glamorous. You probably will be seeing me wear this in glamorous. And let's see what else we got in here. The last one. Alright. So you guys, if you guys didn't see the other video of me when I did the back to school box, I actually used the backpack at school. Obviously, like that's kind of why I guess I bought it, was for during my senior year. I did do it. So I decided to get another one just because it kind of comes with it, so you have to. But instead of doing the black straps, I did the red straps. Red is starting to be one of my favorite colors when it comes to being on vehicles, like the Subi. As you guys can see, I did the calipers and small accents. So the red definitely matches with a lot of the things car-wise. Not necessarily saying I'll be wearing this when I'm driving the car, which would be kind of strange. But just in general, wearing this around, like if we ever go to a car show or something like that, the red just looks good. I love this color red. I do like that it says Legends. I think it says Legends on my black one. So, but this definitely is cool. I love the little dog tag right here that says Tune in Tokyo. So I'm kind of happy I got another backpack. Actually, Steven is getting the black one, so technically I did need a new one. And then, let's see what else. There's something else in here. We got a little keychain.
Well, it's a shifter.
That's the 6-speed, which is kind of cool. Don't know if I'll ever focus.
It's kind of like the Chevelle.
It actually works, too. Like, you
Does
can...
it come with the turbo?
No. But you can put it and move it and all that stuff, which is kind of cool.
That'd be bad for me in school.
Huh. I don't know what I could, but I'll put this
Practice
on.
shifting.
But hey, you want to practice shifting with this thing?
Yeah.
That'd be a little difficult. But that's kind of cool, the little keychain. And that concludes the video. That is all the stuff that's in here. I think probably my favorite is the backpack. I really was not expecting the red to be like this color. The red looks super, super good. So I'm excited for that. The other bag was kind of ripping as well. So I really do enjoy this. I think I really do enjoy definitely the hoodie because I was wanting a hoodie. Right now I just got an email that they're doing 50% off on their hoodies. This is not paid product, by the way. This is just me being, I guess, a customer, so I'm seeing this. Go get your guys' hoodies. It is almost season coming in. So definitely happy I got this hoodie. Let's see. The shirts, on the other hand, the long sleeve with the fresh donuts is super, super cool. The Japan Tokyo racing one, this one's super cool. This almost looks kind of official. Like I could be a real, race car driver, which we all know is not true. The one with the bird, I don't... Yeah, if somebody wants the one with the bird, they can kind of have it. I don't think I'll be wearing that. This one I really do like. Now that I look at the color, it's like an orange and not a red, which is kind of cool. Spices everything up a little bit. I do like this one. This one's pretty damn hard, especially because it matches the sticker, which is super, super cool. And probably my favorite shirt, they did this one right, is Doing Donuts. That is literally the coolest one. I will definitely be wearing this one. You guys will totally see it. So that concludes the fall mystery box. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. I'm excited. You guys will be seeing me wear this stuff in upcoming videos. We have tons of upcoming videos coming for you. I know we've been not necessarily slacking, but it's been very difficult with COVID and trying to find content and do stuff to do. Car shows like we've been wanting to go to have not been allowed, obviously. But we do have stuff upcoming. We're heading to the track next weekend for our father's birthday. It's actually our Halloween, so we're going to spend Halloween out there at the track. and it's going to be a blast. Hopefully you guys will enjoy those videos. We are definitely going to have content and film for you that weekend, and then the weekend after is Glamis. It's the first kickoff one. Steven's happy. I'm excited for it. We're doing the maintenance right now on all the vehicles. Can-Ams are done, as well as, well, I'm doing the work or maintenance on my Gen 3 Funko right now. If you guys go down to our Instagram, I'll put it down in the description box. There's some pictures of me working on the CVs. It is dirty down there, so we are just gonna have content ready, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys leave a like, hit that subscribe button. Let's build this community, because I will definitely be doing more of these if you guys want to see more. So leave a comment down below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks everyone.